Had a couple of horrific coughing spells in the casino last night. Once it started, I couldn't stop it. Fortunately, I had a couple of cough drops on me. Took the cough drop and it stopped. But without that cough drop, I was almost ready to pass out from coughing. Then it started again this morning. So I want to find out what's the problem here. What is this cough? Is this the bug? Well, I went in the bathroom and I blew my nose. Okay, and got mucus out. The cough stopped. I realized what this cough is, and I've had this before years ago before anyone ever even heard of COVID. The sinus drips down my throat, and then it irritates the throat. Then the coughing starts because it wants to clear the throat. So the problem is, it's not the bug, it's the dripping sinus. It's like acid. I mean, it doesn't burn like acid, but it irritates. And as long as it sits there in the throat, it will irritate and you cannot stop the coughing. So now what I'm going to do, I realize what it is I'm going to take a bunch of Kleenex with me on the drive home so that I can clear my nose out. And then I want to go to the casino in Immokalee, and there's a CVS and a Walgreens on the road. I'm going to get some cough drops so I don't have this spell in the casino. But just had to analyze what is the problem. The problem is dripping sinus irritating the throat.